A traveler in 1892 crossed a desert valley that had once held a river, but shifting tectonic plates cut it off from the sea, trapping water that slowly turned salty. He wrote that fish vanished, but new life appeared, tiny brine creatures that drew flocks of rare birds. By 1935, scientists realized the lake acted like a time capsule, preserving ancient salts and mapping climate shifts layer by layer. Who would expect a shrinking lake to reveal Earth's memory? Today, its chemistry still guides researchers studying how isolated waters shape entire ecosystems.